The hauler, gloss black. Oh, that's another thing too. Some of the haulers have had different chrome on the bumpers. Actually, some have had light chrome, or regular chrome, a black tint chrome, and then just black plastic. So I forgot about it. To another episode of Hot Wheels TV. We got a whole bunch of boxes from our friends at Hot Wheels in the mail the other day. This is the first one we're going to open up, and I'll bet you can guess what's in here. Don't have the trusty fishing knife. Don't know what happened to it. The trusty fishing knife is missing in action, so this is one that's out of my desk that I got from my stepdad many years ago. So we're going to have to use this one until we find the trusty fishing knife. So I got to find out what happened to that. Alright, so, and this thing's very sharp. Not like the trusty fishing knife. Alrighty, what is in this box? Well, we know it's the transporters, the team transports. And, oh, look at that. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. They are the N mix. And, oh, look at that. Where are we going to start? Well, these are numbered, right? Right, 35, 36, and we got 2 of the 37s. All right. So we know that one's probably going to go to our buddy Brent. All right, first one up, number 35, is the Volkswagen ID R. And it's got the Aero Lift hauler with it. And this is really cool. The car on the back, man, I tell you, they're making these things so nice. I love them. Love the team transports. Anything that'll haul a car. It is done in, man, all kinds of pretty blue on there. It is got a black interior. Now, you know, to get off a little bit here, the only ones that I've ever seen a variation on are the ones that some of them went to Australia. They had some different wheel variations. But I've never really seen any other variations except for, I think there were 2 or 3 of them. I'll have to look and see which ones they were. But I really haven't seen any variations after that on any of these. So if you guys have seen anything, you know, give us a little note in the comments below. But yeah, this is really beautiful. The car itself is done up. I mean, the detail on these are so nice. Got all the sponsorships on it. So again, the car is in like 3 different colored blues. It's got black on the back, got some white on the top. The interior looks to be black plastic, clear window. The hauler, gloss black. Oh, that's another thing too. Some of the haulers have had different chrome on the bumpers. Actually, some have had light chrome, or regular chrome, a black tint chrome, and then just black plastic. So I forgot about that. So yeah, there has been a few different variations on the team transports. This one here is the transporters, the Aero Lift, gloss black. The wheels are all the same size. They are black plastic. And of course with rubber tires. The lower bumper is also gloss black, just like the cab. The rollback itself is black plastic with some, looks like, is that white or silver? Looks like white pearl on there. It's got the R on it, whatever that, well, ID R, right? Cool. And got some blue on there. And that is about it for the, well, the hauler itself has got looks like a dark blue interior and a clear window. All right, so there you go with that. Next one up is the Corvette C8R with the carry-on. And that is a really cool looking truck. You know, to me that looks like a, maybe an old GMC. You know, early GMC truck there. I love this style truck. These are so cool. The Corvette on the back is done in mustard yellow. Looks like it's got black 10 spokes on it. I have to count them up, but yeah, probably 10 spokes. The interior is black plastic, window nice and clear. Lots and lots of color on this thing. The truck itself is a gray, dark gray enamel. Got a black interior. I love how the lights are done up on the top. Everything is done really, really nice on this. The grill, the headlights, everything is really, really nice. The wheels, got blacked out wheels with a chrome ring on them. Detail on the ramp, it's a ramp truck. But yeah, the detail is really, really nice. And of course, the detail on the Corvette is nice also. So there you go. That is number 36, Corvette C8R with a hauled by the Carry-On, which just a really cool ramp truck. Next one up is the number 37, and that is 21 Toyota GR Supra on an Aero Lift hauler. Aero Lift hauler is done in white. Got white plastic rollback on it. Bottom is done in white and red. Cab got red and black stripes on it. The bottom of the rollback also has white and black and red. Same as the car. The Supra. It's white. Got a black interior. Windows are tinted just a little bit in there. Wheels are blacked out 10 spokes. Truck has kind of matching wheels to it, blacked out with a chrome ring on them. Interior on the truck is red, and the window is lightly tinted for that too. The front end is done up really nice. The front bumper is black, and fender flares for the cab are red plastic, which go with the interior, I'm sure, and has a, looks like a flat black metal painted base. And that is it. The number 37 in the Team Transport series, and that is a 2021 Toyota GR Supra. So there you go. We have the number 35 is the Volkswagen ID R. Number 36 is the Corvette C8.R. And the last one, number 37, is the 2021 GR Supra. And we got an extra one of those in the case. Like I said, which will probably go to our buddy Brent. So that is it. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Always appreciate you guys stopping by. If you guys have any different variations on these, let us know in the comments below. And basically it. So again, thanks for stopping by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And of course, always, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, we hope to see you real soon. Okay? Bye-bye.